All right, let's see what's going on, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, look at that cobbler. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that juice in there. Look at that. That looks so delicious. Look at that. That is divine. I'm telling you, you just need some ice cream and you have your little cobbler right there, your apple cobbler. Look how beautiful that is. Mrs. Sandra, I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and get this little simple apple cobbler. This is so simple. Look at the apples, y'all. Simple and delicious. That's what I want to say, y'all. Sandra will tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.